Oh my God, oh my God, oh my holy God. Hi guys, Steve and I fought from My Fort Fortune with wife Lily.
Hi, this is Lily.
Today we're going to continue our project or our YouTube video with what it's called anxiety. What is anxiety?
I think it's
What
more
is
about
depression?
feelings, honey.
What is depression? And what is happiness? And the wife already mentioned it. It's just feelings.
Emotions.
Everything is just feelings. So if you want to be happy, it's just your feelings. It's not necessarily unique or anything, but
We choose our feelings.
that's just feelings. So if you choose to be happy, you're going to be happy. But if you are excited or overexcited, you might get into what is called anxiety. But of course, if you're thinking too much of the past, depression. So those are the common ones we're going to talk about today.
Ooh,
While we're here, we're just going to explain. We're up here by the Auckland Domain, Auckland Domain,
Oh yes, next to the museum.
and we're just going to do a video on it. We just finished church, and we want to share this moment with you.
That's what was
And
shared
that-
at church today.
It's called anxiety, and it's called
Emotions.
feelings. Feelings, you don't have to listen to your feeling too much. Because sometimes feelings can be a wrong sort of attitude to look at. Because sometimes our feelings can be hurt. And if you dwell on that hurting feeling, you might end up being angry or revengeful, as opposed to what it's called sometimes, just get over it. We all have to. Not just you and me. We all have to. We all have to get over it.